Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, ladies and germs. Welcome back to another episode. And tonight, we're gonna discuss something that others would rather not be discussing. Bakit? Ayaw lang nila pag-usapan. Kasi it's morbid. And it's too early to talk about it.
Oh, you feel me, bro? You feel me?
And I have a question. Would you fear something that would only exist as long as you exist?
Kuha mo.
Yes or no? But before that, let me give you a backstory. Back then, nung bata ako, I knew I feared something. Like, I didn't know what it really was, but its nature is somewhat dark. And I think I feel that it's from the abyss. And then, habang tumatanda ako, mas nare-realize ko kung ano talaga yun. And then, it happened to some of the people that I love. And then, last year, 2 or 3 days ako bago umalis, nangyari sa lola ko yun. He met her maker before ako umalis. And it hurts me dahil hindi ako makapunta dun. Dahil una sa lahat, COVID restrictions. Pangalawa, finances. I mean, hindi naman ako namumulubi that time, pero what I have in my pocket is enough. And then, yun, naiyak na lang ako. Next thing is, around August. 2nd, 3rd week of August, nandun kami sa may Iceland. Before going to my work or to my duty, or morning duty, nagulat ako, nag-chat sa akin si mama, nag-send siya sa akin ng 2 pictures ni lolo. And then, yun, tataka ko bakit. And then, nagulat ako, yung kapatid ko, nag-chat sa akin na, Kuya, si lolo wala na. That time, kaya ako dala yung phone ko sa work or sa duty dahil sobrang dali lang naman napapagawa eh. Papalinis lang ng isang machinery part. Pero I was not expecting that I would be crying so much while cleaning a machinery part. Alam mo yung tipong mapaparealize ka na, putang ina, ayoko na magbarko. Kung ganito lang rin mangyayari sa akin. Or kung ganito lang rin mararamdaman ko kapag, alam mo yun, kapag wala kang magawa, dahil, wala, hindi mo immediate family na yun eh. Hindi mo pa afford makabili ng ticket. And given pa yung lockdown restrictions, no, ng COVID. Habang tumatagal, habang mas tumatanda ako, mas nagda-dive deep ako sa school of thought na tinatawag ng karamihan na Stoicism. So ano ba yung Stoicism? It's a school of thought that will make us realize that we are mere mortals. It's a school of thought that would make us realize na anumang mangyari sa atin, mortal tayo at pwede tayong mamatay. It's a school of thought na magpaparealize sa atin na mabuhay. Alam mo yun, to live in the present, to put ourselves in the present, to focus and give everything that we have in the present or anything that we do. And then, yun, habang nagda-dive deep ako doon, mas nare-realize ko na, oo nga no, death is something inevitable and that would eventually happen to us. As I've consumed some learning materials about it, like for this one, it's Daily Stoic from Brian Holiday and Stephen Hanselman. So other than that, I've read books of Ryan Holiday called Ego is the Enemy and Obstacle is the Way. And Stillness is the Key. And also, bago din, hindi ko pa siya napabasa. Pero it went out around last quarter of 2020. Pero nakuha ko lang yung copy ko around January. It's called Lives of the Stoic. So, yun nga, habang kinoconsume ko yun, isinasabay ko na rin yung journaling kasi yun yung ginagawa ng karamihan nating ng mga Stoic philosophers like Marcus Aurelius, Seneca, Epictetus, Zeno. They journal. They write their thoughts for their own consumption, for their own realization. And then, one time, I wrote on my journal about the concept of death. Alam mo, habang nag-iisip ako, ano ba magandang pwedeng i-discuss na hindi ganun pinag-discuss, na hindi ganun pinag-uusapan ng tao. Then, said, death. I mean, it made me realize na it's a beautiful concept for me. Bakit? It would make you realize that you should cherish every moment with the people that you love. Death would make us realize what really is important to us. Not the material things, but spending time with our loved ones and delivering value to other people or to our community. One of the most beautiful thing is death is like death is like toyo in adobo. Alam mo yun? You can make adobo without toyo, some people say, pero death is like toyo in adobo, and it will make you realize how beautiful life is. I mean, despite the happenings, the pandemic, the political imbalance, if kung ano man tawag nila doon, something about politics na negative, mapaparealize ka ng Stoicism na you have to cherish it through thick and thin. So, I have another question for you. Why would you fear something that is inevitable and that will eventually happen to all of us? Diba? Well, the truth is, we really aren't afraid of death. What we are afraid of is what will happen after we die. For example, yung pinaghirapan ng isang bilyonaryo o isang milyonaryo, doon siya mga problema. Diba? You're afraid, or some people are afraid na kung saan mapupunta yung pinaghirapan nila. Some people is natatakot sila na, for example, for some parents, natatakot sila na mamatay sila tapos walang mag-aalaga sa anak nila. Mahirap yun. Others are mamamatay sila kasi hindi nila na-achieve yung purpose nila. For me, that's what I fear. No? Mamamatay ako, hindi ako nakapag-deliver ng value sa ibang tao. Mamamatay ako. I wasn't able to help improve one's life. Ayoko ng ganun. Yun yung kinakatakutan ko. So as much as possible, with the help of Stoicism, I try to be a better person every day by helping other people around me, by delivering value for other people. And I've read some of, maybe, perusing yung book ni Seneca on shortness of life or on brevity of life. So, if i-flash ko na lang siya sa screen and then you go read. And then, share ko sa inyo kung ano yung nag-impact sa akin. Isa sa nag-impact sa akin is yung sinabi niya na we suffer more in imagination than in reality. You want to live, but do you know how to live? You are sacred, you are scared of dying, but tell me, is kind of life you lead really any different to being dead? Number 2 na nag-impact sa akin, sometimes, even to live is an act of courage. So, kapag napapanood mo to, congratulate yourself for being courageous, for being brave, for standing strong despite what's happening here in the Philippines, despite what's happening around you, despite what's happening in your head. Give yourself a pat on the back. Thank you, self, for being strong. Thank you, self, for standing strong. Thank you, self, for living to fight another day for the people that you love. So, I hope that I helped you in a way. I hope that I delivered value to you, to your life. I hope that I was able to help you in a way. And then, yun, if you think that I help you, please share this to your loved ones, to your friends, your families, acquaintance. And then, if you'd love to, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. So that, you can help me in a way for the purpose of YouTube algorithm lang. Yun. See you next episode. Bye.